Tonight, inshallah, I will be talking to you about yet another interesting topic, still in the area of fiqh, which means jurisprudence, which means how to understand our religion, how to understand the different practices in our religion and the fundamentals and foundations. So the topic today is called the 6 levels of halal and haram. In our last classes, we've been covering the 10 principles of halal and haram, and today I'll be talking about something slightly different, which is called the 6 levels of halal and haram. So halal has 4 distinct levels, from highest to lowest. And the haram has 2 levels, which are called minor and major. Before I begin, I'll just introduce you to the 4 levels of halal, and then we'll go into my introduction and explaining to you what it is with examples and give you a more depth of knowledge in your religion. The halal and the haram is what our entire life is based around as Muslims, correct? The halal is divided into 4 areas. Number 1, fard, which means the compulsory obligatory things. They are the halal obligatory things. The second one are called the mustahab, which means the recommended halal things. The third one is mubah, which means neutral, neither asking you to do it nor forbidding. And the 4th category of halal is called makruh, which means matters that are disliked but are not haram. The 2 categories of haram are minor sins and major sins. We'll be going through those tonight, inshallah. But first, I want to begin with a true story that happened between me and a friend of mine who was still new to the religion. So he started coming to the mosque. He started meeting religious people for the first time in his life. And as he's getting to know the religion, he's speaking to many different people who are teaching him about the religion. And obviously, we as Muslims, we look on the outside of a person. As soon as we see something that we think is not right, we're quick to jump onto it because we want to give advice, yeah? But the problem here is a lot of us have heard certain rulings on certain things sometimes we don't know if what we are saying is true. Sometimes it comes from our culture, other times it comes from our parents, other times it comes from someone who we thought was knowledgeable, and sometimes it's based on differences of opinion, and sometimes we don't understand that we mix between what is compulsory and what's not. And sometimes we turn small things into big things and big things small. And sometimes we want to make something haram that's not, and something that's not compulsory into compulsory. So this young brother, he met with a lot of the different people who attend the mosque. And by the end of about 1 month, he was going crazy. I said, what's wrong? He said, everything's haram. Haram this, I come here, this is haram. I dress like that, it's haram. I do that, it's haram. Haram, haram, haram. I might as well just sit at home and do nothing. I go, guess what? He goes, what? I go, and that's haram too. Can't sit at home and do nothing either. So all doors are closed on this poor bloke.